What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got this Jabra Evolve2 40 SE. That's the product of the day, and we have this especially sent out to us by Jabra. Thanks to Jabra for sending out this review unit. This model has been around for a while, and we're going to be looking at this specific headset. Okay, let's get started. Evolve2 40 SE, that's the brand information that's mentioned over here, and engineered to keep you on task, exceptional audio, outstanding noise isolation, superior comfort, 3 microphone call technology designed for all-day comfort, noise isolating design, Jabra branding over here, and at the back you have more specifications specific to this headset. Welcome to professional sound, mute, unmute microphone, volume, play, pause, and busy light, answer or end call, Microsoft Teams notification, mute status and stuff that's mentioned over here. Now this one is a Type A as far as I know. There's another Type C model as well. I'm not sure if it's a Type A, but let's actually check at the bottom. So it says Jabra Evolve2 SE version A. So I'm assuming, yeah, that's a Type A. And of course there are all these certifications, the serial information, part number and stuff mentioned. So like heavily certified, and it's made for Teams. It says certified for Microsoft Teams. So they've probably got some sort of partnership with Microsoft. So there's all the other stuff mentioned over here. Download Jabra Direct software, personalize, update, and register. Get 20% off on your next purchase. Okay, let's open it up and see what we have inside. Okay, what we have inside is of course the case in which the Jabra headphones come in. There are some instructions, safety information and declaration. Let's keep it away. Here's your bag that these headphones come in. Pretty nice, and Jabra branding on the sides. And let's get the headsets out. There you are. It is in fact a Type C. I thought it was a Type A, which is a bit weird. But there you are. You have your Jabra headphones. Brand new. Nice and very, very comfortable. This is the R, as you can see, and this is the L, which is pretty cool. And look at that, it looks pretty nice. And you have a bit of a covering on the top. Let's take it out. And a matte type finish on the top. Doesn't shine at all. Looks pretty nice and slick. The headphones themselves look pretty cool. Like, they are nice and soft, as you can tell. Very comfortable. And you've got these, where's that button? The Microsoft Teams button over here. Do you hear that? It's just the only button, the only one button that there is on here. Oh, there are some more stickers over here. One of these is right on there on the side. So there's the other one. Okay, and here's your wire, Type C wire. About 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters. That's the length of this wire. It also has like the status LED, which sits right up here. And here's your Type C cable, of course, with the LED. The cable is pretty nice, tangle free, which is probably the best of the cables that you should have. Like, every brand should have tangle free cables like these. That should be a standard rather than, you know, giving people options. In terms of adjustments, this is how you basically pull the headsets out and adjust to your head. Pretty simple, also quite stable. And this one as well. Here's your microphone option, which lives outside and inside as well. And 3 microphones. I'm not sure there's a third. But yeah, that's what you have. Here's your Jabra branding. I don't think there's any serial information inscribed on these headsets. It's probably more software driven rather than hardware. But yeah, there you have it. And there are some more buttons, of course, on here. We told the Teams button. Very tactile. And there are these volume up, volume down, play, pause type buttons. Also very tactile. This one's not much, but these ones, the up and down, they are quite tactile. And there's one more, which is the mute unmute. That's the button over here. And the mute and mute, of course, also works along with the headsets while you put them up or down. That should work as well. And there are no buttons on this side of your headset. Having reviewed so many headsets on this channel, this is probably the best of the lot, which is quite comfortable and ergonomic as well. Yeah, I mean, it's got everything that you can think of. Type-C option, of course, you'd need an attachment, which should convert the Type-C to Type-A. And that should do the job. So that should be something like this. You can see this is a Type-A converter. So the Type-C female to Type-A male. And all you need to do is, of course, put this guy in here. And you're ready to go, right? It doesn't come directly out of the box because I don't see any other accessories in this bag, which means you'll have to buy your own. Or the assumption is that you have a Type-C port on your device. Buy one of these. I will have a link available in the description for these ones. And here's your Jabra. I'll be testing this a bit more over the coming days, and I will give you a better overview of how the audio video works and what the quality is like. But to give you a quick test result, I've just connected it to the laptop and I'm going to play something on Spotify. Hope you can hear it. I'll have to pause because I would run into copyright. Let's just play the music again. And the headsets are very, very close to the microphone now. And playing this music now. Right? Feel good? Play again. So the headphones feel pretty good to me. And again, I'll just continue. And this is the highest volume. Let's reduce the volume because it's probably the highest volume. So I just get to 54%. That's the volume at the moment. And I'm going to play this now. I don't know, that's gone really low. Let's just bump up the volume now. That was about 82% on the laptop. So yeah, it seems to be working really, really well. Alright, quickly recording this sound from the Lenovo headsets, and this is pretty much how these Lenovo headsets sound. They've got one microphone, and it's just the mono microphone that we have in comparison to the Jabra, which will have 3 microphones. So you're going to be hearing that sound just about now from Jabra. Okay, so now you're listening to the Jabra Evolve2 SE. It's got 3 microphones within one microphone, and this is how it sounds. The one that you were previously listening to was the Lenovo EPOS, and there are also physical differences in how the microphones are placed. On the Jabra Evolve2 SE, you've got the microphone on your right, and on the Lenovo, you've got the microphone on your left, and that could be a deciding factor for people who are, left-handed or right-handed. For me, it's not an issue because I'm ambidextrous, but I normally tend to prefer a microphone to be on the left because generally on the right hand, I have the mouse. So yeah, those are the difference, and hopefully you get the idea from the audio samples. Cheers. Okay, so that's your Jabra Evolve2 40 SE rather, and that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you like it. Like I mentioned, I will be giving you further update on the specific headset, how I use these and how I'm finding the experience and how they help me with my day-to-day tasks working in meetings and stuff. So hopefully that's something that you would want to subscribe to. So if you do, please do subscribe to the channel and stay in touch. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.